Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to install the Ring doorbell at my mother-in-law's house. So, I'll give you a little bit of video, show you how to do this. I can tell you right now, our first obstacle is going to be the fact that this is her original doorbell and her brick molding and trim and everything is not wide enough to accept the Ring doorbell. So because it's the middle of winter and you know, it's a little cold out here, I'm just going to do a temporary install for her and then come back in spring when it's a little bit warmer and actually reroute her wires behind her siding. But let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the house and I'm going to have my mother-in-law go ahead and follow these steps. You want to go ahead and download the app and go through the whole setup code and all that while I'm doing the hard installation. So I'm going to take this in here and let her do that, and we'll get out here and do the fun stuff. Okay, so here's the problem that I thought we were going to have. This is the Ring doorbell. This is not going to fit in here without some heavy modifications. And quite honestly, this piece of trim right here, I don't really want to cut it off. So I'm just going to go ahead and move it over here. Now, this is battery operated, and it'll allow for the wires from the doorbell to go through. So for right now, because of how cold it is, I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up wirelessly with the battery operated system, and then we'll come back in spring and rewire it. Okay, so basically what we did is I went ahead and just decided that I was going to notch this out now versus trying to come back later. So now I'm going to go ahead and mount this in place of the doorbell. So I'm going to take it out, pull the wiring out of it, feed the wiring through, and then I'm going to mount this right here on the outside of it. And then we'll have it hooked up right. Okay, all right guys, and that's it really. The installation of the Ring doorbell is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just a couple things you need to pay attention to. It's all explained to you in the directions, and this is what she looks like. We went ahead and notched it out a little bit because I just decided to get it done right now for her and not to have to worry about fixing anything in spring. So that's it. Pretty simple.